Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted guide for the best buys in your kitchen. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best non-stick ceramic 10-inch frying pan on the market, the OXO Enhanced 10 inches Frying Pan Skillet. Now, if you've been hunting for a healthier, safer, and longer-lasting pan for your everyday cooking, this could be your match. Let's explore exactly what makes this skillet stand out from the crowd. First off, the coating. This isn't your average non-stick. It's a PFAS-free ceramic nonstick coating, meaning it's free from potentially harmful chemicals like PTFE and PFOA. So when you're flipping your eggs or sautéing veggies, you're not worrying about toxins leaching into your food. That's peace of mind, cooked right in. Now, let's talk durability. This pan features a hard anodized body, not just for the name. Hard anodizing makes aluminum stronger and more resistant to corrosion, giving you a pan that doesn't warp or scratch easily. You can feel the solid construction just by holding it. It's balanced, sturdy, and clearly made to last. And speaking of holding it, the handle is where OXO's Good Grips heritage shines. The stainless steel handle is contoured and stays cool to the touch. Whether you're flipping pancakes or searing chicken thighs, you've got a comfortable, safe grip, even during longer cook sessions. This skillet heats quickly and evenly. The base has excellent conductivity, which means no hot spots, just a uniform cook every time. And thanks to that ceramic non-stick layer, food slides right off. You'll use less oil, cleanup is a breeze, and best of all, it's dishwasher safe. Yes, dishwasher safe. But honestly, a simple wipe down with a soft sponge will do the trick 90% of the time. That's how smooth this surface is. No problem. It transitions seamlessly from flame to oven, giving you full flexibility in your cooking. And for those with modern or induction cooktops, a quick note. This pan isn't compatible with induction stovetops, but it excels on gas and electric ranges. One more subtle feature worth pointing out, the flared edges. They make pouring sauces or plating your food cleaner, neater, and less prone to drips. It's a small design choice, but it makes a noticeable difference in daily use. Whether you're cooking daily breakfasts or tackling more complex recipes, the OXO Enhanced 10 inches skillet delivers consistent results with minimal fuss. It's built for performance, designed for comfort, and made with health-conscious materials. At its price point, you're getting premium performance, long-lasting build, and the trusted name of OXO behind it. This isn't a pan you'll be replacing in 6 months. This is an upgrade that will anchor your kitchen for years. So if you're looking to elevate your cookware with something that's safe, sleek, and seriously non-stick, the OXO Enhanced Ceramic Skillet is a no-brainer. That wraps up today's product critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.